All right, good morning, boys. What is up? I am going to go over, I guess, the only trade I actually took just because today was a very poor day in my opinion. I didn't want shorts, I wanted longs, so I just didn't take anything. Let me give you guys my P&L here for proof. 1,300 across two accounts. Oh, what happened to the other 5 XFAs? I fucking blew them. I traded them separately and I blew them like an idiot. So these are the only two accounts that I have, or that I've had for like a week now. I just wanted to clear that up in case you guys thought I was just trading two accounts. So those two accounts are up $1,000 now because of consistency. Top Step sucks. Top Step put me in a program where I need to have consistency and a daily loss limit of $1,000. They actually just fucking suck, dude. It pisses me off. Um, I need to make like $4,000 because I made 1.5K in a day. I made 1.3K today. Some bullshit. But yeah. All right. I'm gonna go into first off Asia. This was my draw on liquidity. We have a new day opening gap. Right? Asia opens, 6 p.m. opens. What do? We just pump the entire time. What do I want? I want shorts, dude. I'm so bearish. I wanted this from up here. I wanted price to pull lower and tap into this, right? And after that, I did want us to push higher and just take out these highs. So do I think this is poor price action for us coming all the way back down here? Yeah, I was bullish. But let's see this. We dump here. We have an hourly gap. This is a gap on ES. We have an hourly gap here. I don't give a fuck about this hourly gap, really. I don't expect it to hold. I do expect it to inverse. We then push lower on the 15-minute time frame. We have this 15-minute gap right here. Let's see if we tap into that. We then, tap into that 15-minute gap. We push lower. We have this low that I really want to get taken out. What do? I grab my OTE tool. I grab my OTE tool. Right here. What do? We tapped into 0.5, got a bearish reaction. I entered in here with my stops like up here. So I was in some drawdown for a bit and take profit there. This was my trade. Based off a bearish reaction from 0.5 of the range. It's also what I believe is a 5-minute gap. Yeah, it was also a 5-minute gap. So it's 0.5 aligned with a 5-minute gap. I figured we just bounced from there. Obviously, we got some drawdown, 0.705, 0.618 bottom ticked, or top ticked, I guess. I don't like how these worked. I don't like how price is just chopping around right now. Oh, like I said today, I didn't see an entry I liked, and I'm going to go over that now as well. But I want to show you guys something cool that I've been getting better at trading Asia as well. You see here, we tapped a volume imbalance. Price will typically leave some sort of imbalance during Asia, whether that be a high that was never made, or if, let's say, price opens high, right? And we leave an imbalance here, which is exactly what this is on the daily time frame. We opened on the daily and we just kept ripping. This will more often than not get filled. And when I say more often than not, I mean 80 to 90% of the time it will get filled. The only time I've seen new day opening gap not get filled, bro, was like last Friday, and that was the weirdest thing I ever remember. Everyone was trying to short into it. Where is it? Here. Last Friday we have a gap, and I was looking for shorts into that for like forever, bro. The fact that we didn't fill it was insane to me. But yeah, in this case, price opened lower and closed lower. This is now an imbalance in price, right? It's a volume imbalance. That is also aligned with what? That is aligned with OTE. You can literally limit that if you want and put your stop up here, and you would have gotten a better fill. Well, I don't know about better fill, same shit, but better entry than me stop loss wise, and you would have caught a 1 to 4, and I caught a 1 to 1. 1 to like 1.5. But yeah, pretty good trading Asia session, and let's get into market open. Let's see what I wanted to see with the market at market open, right? So what I see is this. All right, we filled most of that imbalance. We don't have to fill the whole thing. We have an hourly gap. We're clearly bullish. What is that hourly gap aligned with? 0.618. That's pretty cool, right? We have all this low resistance liquidity right here. So we sweep all this LR. We sweep all this LR. We also have this 15-minute change in state and delivery. Why is this line so weak? Alright, whatever. We have this 15-minute change in state and delivery. We have this LR. We have this hourly gap. We have OTE. I'm going to get rid of OTE because it makes this line look weak. We tap into all of this. And we literally don't get a single fucking reaction, bro. We got a change in state here. Is that valid? No, because everything is still bearish. I want to see price actually trend upwards, and I would get some sort of entry up here. But this is insane to me that we didn't. I literally didn't even trade, and I'm just flabbergasted that we were just fucking bearish the whole day. Now let's see if I were to be bearish, what trade I would have taken. All right, we have 5-minute gap here. We edged it. We pushed lower. Nothing here. 5-minute gap here. We kind of inversed it. I wouldn't even consider that an inverse, but we did tap this order block. Right. We tapped this order block at this point in time. We're clearly taking out these lows. Let's check the 3-minute. All right, we're in a 3-minute gap. That's nice. Let's check the 2-minute, 1 minute. We're in a 3-minute, 1-minute gap. Everything. Let's also check this range right here. All right, we tapped OT. We pushed lower. Now we're going to grab this high to this low. Look at that. This is real time, by the way. I didn't know about any of this. Like, I wasn't even looking for shorts today. All right, we tap 0.705 of the range inside a 3-minute gap, inside a 5-minute order block. We push lower. I don't even know if I would have taken one of these entries. I'm not going to lie. There's a 2-minute gap here, but we don't inverse the 2-minute. We get that 1-minute inverse. I'm not a fan of that. But if you wanted to, you could have taken either this, or my model is like this to the internal, and it would have played out. But the actual trade should have been to the draw, which would have been a break even. That is a terrible break even. Wow. But yeah, pretty simple trading day in my opinion. I hope you guys all learned something new today. I hope you guys all have a blessed day and don't trade when you see this chop work. I will see you boys tomorrow. Hope you guys are enjoying the trade recaps, and free Discord link is in bio if you guys are not already in that. Peace out.